Hello everyone, back with another keto recipe, and this one here I'm calling chicken and bacon buffalo ranch dish, and it's 3 servings. Here's what you will need. The boneless, skinless chicken tenders. I'm using the organic there, but you can use regular. You'll need real bacon bits, the frozen riced cauliflower, organic coconut oil, the buffalo ranch chicken dip. You can probably buy it anywhere, but I bought it at Aldi's. Pink salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and then red crushed pepper, and then a fry pan cover and spatula. Let's start by heating up 2 tablespoons of the organic coconut oil, then add in your chicken and turn it on a medium heat. Let's add over that heavily pink salt, light pepper, and cayenne pepper if you like it spicy. Cover it and let cook. While that's cooking on one side, let's pop our cauliflower rice in the microwave. Mine takes 6 minutes. Once the chicken's cooked on one side, flip them over, and we're going to repeat the process of seasoning heavily pink salt, light pepper, and cayenne. And then you're going to go ahead and cover this again and let it cook completely. Once it's all cooked, you're going to break it up into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to add over the heated rice cauliflower, the entire bag, 4 tablespoons of the real bacon bits, half the container of the buffalo chicken sauce. Give it a good stir, and then cover this and let it sit on a simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes to bring all the flavors together. And then you'll see right there, there's 3 servings of it. And I've got it plated up there for me and my husband with red crushed pepper. And let me tell you, this dish was another delicious masterpiece. I was so excited. Now, the entire pan was 14 carbs, so that plate right there is only 4.3 net carbs. And absolutely delicious. Please try this one out. And always keep it keto.